Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage buttons on your headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time for your headphone. So let's check it. Now I'm playing and now I'm pause. That's it. If you swipe up right here, you can increase the volume, and if you swipe down, you are lower the volume. So let's check it. Now I'm trying to increase the volume, and here we go. And now I'm trying to lower the volume. Yes, it's working. Cool. Now, if you press two times, you will play next song on the right earbud. And if you're doing it with left one, you will play previous song. So let's check a next song. Now I'm clicking two times. And here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time, and you can reject the call by pressing two times. So let's check it. Now I answer the call, and when you answer, you can press again one time to reject the call. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!